Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the color properties in console in C programming. Here color COLOR is written in red and behind we can see white color. So this white color is our background and COLOR written in red is our foreground. We can add color by system function, system then color then A B. Here A for background color and B for foreground color. I have already opened code blocks. Now I want to write the code. Here our header function for system is standard library stdlib.h. Then our main function color for console. Here I have run this color for console, that is usually black and white. If I use color system color, let assume SS. Here we can see our colors for the console. Here 0 for black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, that's why 7 white, 6 for yellow, and 8 for gray, 9 for light blue, A for light green, B for light aqua, and D for light purple, F for bright white. Press any key to continue. We can see color FC produces light red on bright white color for console. That's why I want to use now color. I want to add the background is white. White is 7. Value is 7, represent white, and the foreground, that means the text will be written in red. Red is 4, so I have to write 7 4. Here 7 4, 7 for white, 4 for foreground red. You can see the background is white and color for console process that's are written in white, that's light gray. That's why again I just want to check. I want to write red. I want to write the background in black. Black is for 0 and the foreground will be green or light green, A for light green. Here 0, that is background is black, and A for light green. So now run 0A, 0 for background black, A for the foreground is light green. Here you can see background is black and the text are written in light green. That's all. Thank you everyone.